How to create Pokemon Go account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create Pokemon Go account on your device. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First of all, make sure that you've already installed the Pokemon Go application on your device. Once you're done installing it, open the application. So as soon as you open up the application, this is what the interface is going to look like. Right in between there are two different options, that is returning player and a new player. Since you are creating an account, so you need to click on new player, and if you already have an account, then click on returning player and enter in your login details, and you'll be able to log in into your account. After that, you'll be taken to this kind of interface, and once you're on this page, you'll need to click on Pokemon Trainer Club, which is right on top. Once again, you'll be directed to the sign in interface. So right at the bottom there is an option as create one here. Click on it. After that, the page will open in a desktop side. Now you begin with the enrollment process. So first thing, you'll need to provide your date of birth. So click on continue. After you're done with the process, you'll need to create a username. So enter in a valid username. You'll also need to create your password, and for the confirmation you'll need to type in twice. For the contact information, you need to provide in your email address. Once again, for the confirmation you need to type in twice, and you'll also need to mark on this terms and condition. You need to click on this verification option, that is I'm not a robot, and then click on continue. As you click on continue, next interface will be directed to the terms and condition. So you must make sure to go through all of these information and then mark on this terms and condition and click on continue. So you'll also need to verify it, so open up your email. So as you can see that I've received a verification email. So click on this option, that is verify your email. As you can see that my account has been verified. Head back to your home screen and open up your Pokemon Go application. Enter in the username that you recently created. After you're done entering your login information, click on sign in. You'll have to allow all of the necessary permission. If you have a referral code, then you can simply click on have a referral code, and then you can enter in order to continue with this particular application, or else you can simply click on continue. So go on tapping right in center or anywhere in your screen in order to proceed on. So you'll need to select the style, so you can go on with any of these following options, and once you're done selecting it, click on the arrow icon. You can go on making changes with the outfit and other structure as well. So for now I'm just gonna skip this part. In order to proceed on, all you need to do is click right in center or anywhere near your screen, and you've successfully created a Pokemon Go account. So that is how you can create a Pokemon Go account, and now you can explore Pokemon Go. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.